So this here is the CleanTech Air Purifier. It's an innovative new air purifier by crowdfunded company CleanTech. These guys are making a huge splash in the air purifier game. I know what you guys are thinking, Ray, why are you reviewing an air purifier? Well, you guys know I love sharing cool tech here on the channel, and I love sharing helpful tech that will enrich people's lives and just make life better. When CleanTech reached out to me a few weeks back, I was excited to give this new air purifier a try as I suffer from allergies and I have a stuffy nose when I wake up, things like that. So this is something I probably should have had a long time ago. What separates CleanTech's air purifier from the rest is that it offers two stages of air purification. First, there's an H11 HEPA filter inside to catch dust and other large particles that float around in the air. Secondly, there's a UVC light inside. This destroys the particles that make it through the filter. This is what makes this purifier so unique. UVC light has been around for decades, and it's a proven effective way to sanitize a space. This technology might sound somewhat familiar, and that's because it's used in settings like hospitals to destroy viruses, bacteria, and allergens in the air. Unlike other air purifiers, this one doesn't just trap particles, it destroys them, resulting in cleaner air and greater peace of mind. How it works is it sucks air in through the air intake in the bottom, runs it through the filter, then the UVC light, and sends clean, refreshing air out of the top. To sum it up, CleanTech's purifier here brings professional medical-grade purification to your home. Both the HEPA filter and the UVC light are housed in a sleek, modern-looking purifier that fits tastefully into any setting. The unit is surprisingly also very small and lightweight. I think it looks really great. The glow underneath the unit from the UVC light is also a very nice touch that makes this purifier look pretty cool. In the box, you get the air purifier, power cable, and an instruction manual. Super simple and to the point. Setting up the purifier is also incredibly simple. Just plug it in, hit the power button, and set it to either 2 hours on max or 24 hours on continuous purification. Each mode changes how loud of a sound the purifier emits. Regardless of the setting, I do think this purifier is slightly loud compared to others that I've heard in the past, but I'll let you guys be the judge. Have a listen. The way this purifier works is very simple. Everything is controlled by a single power button up top. 1 click to power it on, 2 to enter 2-hour max mode, and 3 clicks for 24-hour continuous cleaning. Unfortunately, there's no in between the 2 hours and the 24. There's also no app, timer, or other customizable settings on this purifier. Some might find that to be a bit discouraging, but this is one of those things that you just turn on and let it do what it's meant to do. Convenience and ease of use, that's key here to CleanTech's purifier. Another thing that's unique about the cleaning process CleanTech offers is that you can leave this purifier on and safely breathe the air at the same time. It cleans up to a 200 square foot radius, so it's not too much if you have a large space, but if you're going to be using it overnight while you're sleeping in your bedroom or in a central room in your home, you'll have no issue letting it do its thing while the room is occupied. During my 2 weeks with it so far, I found the air to be noticeably better in my room. I don't have the tools to measure if it's working, but the difference is definitely there. I feel like I don't wake up as stuffy in my nose when I let it run overnight, and my allergies from dust are a bit more in check. Those with pets who shed a lot will likely notice a big difference with this as well. The HEPA filter inside is unfortunately not washable, so you will need to replace it after about 6 months of continuous use. The UVC light will also need to be replaced after about 2 years of continuous use. Luckily, both of these parts are user replaceable, and all you have to do to access them is open up the bottom of the purifier. Overall, CleanTech made an excellent air purifier here that I think works incredibly well. Not only does it trap dust and particles in the air, but it destroys virus, bacteria, and all of that for some nice peace of mind. It's a consumer purifier with professional medical grade performance. When you turn it on and let it run, you can truly feel the difference in the air that you breathe. Pair that performance with dead simple operation and a sleek modern design, and you have something unique here that stands out. If you're in the market for an air purifier, CleanTech should definitely be at the top of your list. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow Raymond Strazdas on Twitter and Instagram for much more. Until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace!